Because my kids have never been on the system. But some kids were on the system last year. They don't know why.
It's 3.2.5,
There it is.
page 159.
All right.
What's that?
So if you guys want to read those directions.
You don't do anything, just your regular username. Yeah? 159, or no, 159. You don't. So just, and then your password is the LJHS map 1. 159. 3, yes. So,
Alright. And then capital L.
okay, right here.
Lowercase.
Cedric, I know how you can get that 1450 on this week.
Okay, but this is where you need to be though. So let's just,
Did you possibly put LJHS?
Actually, can I use it? How do you spell
Remember the day we, were you here the day we all
Okay.
walked into it? Were you here the day we made our accounts and everything?
technology, I can't help you.
Okay, use your regular sign-in password.
I know how you can get that from like credit card and sign up computers. That's what you said.
Okay, and then you do that password.
Yeah.
Capital L. Control. Control what? Is there like a back?
Control and you click the
When you go back to that, you can move it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we were shrinking and growing it. We just can't get, we wanted it bigger. Yeah, because I did that.
See, there you go.
Yeah, there we go.
Perfect size.
All right, that'll work.
Yeah, it's not critical.
There we go.
What's done?
It still works.
All right, what's your number?
Okay, while the rest of you are waiting, if you will divide up into teams of 2
At your table.
at your table.
So,
Why do I?
Ella, can you join, or Jefferson, why don't you join this table? No, not today.
Do I need to take all my things over there?
Yes.
No, that's okay. So, and then I want you to grab one, yes, a spinner, a paper clip. Each of you needs a whiteboard and a marker. And then one of the little 10 blocks.
Can I get a block?
You don't see it, you can grab it.
Yeah, so you're going to play against each other. As teams, yeah, the teams are going to play, so the teams are going to play against each other. And I'll explain the rules and we'll do an example on the board of it to see how it looks and how it works. I don't like doing money. Yeah, I didn't want to, my team was usually the Wimpy group, so,
I'm kind of
usually give up before the.
You don't have a.
Oh, do you not have a 10 spot? A what? Well, you actually, and I should change this. So you need two paper clips per page. Because you're going to use one on one side and one on the other side on each pie chart. Yes.
I found this.
Okay. Here's one. I can use that too.
What are you guys looking
In
for?
chapter 3.
Oh,
In chapter 3.
okay, do you guys have a pencil to click your spinner? You guys will just play each other, so you won't have a teammate. It'll just be you playing each other, okay?
So the first one to whichever way.
She's gonna, I want you guys to watch her go over the example of how to play.
Does everybody have enough paper clips?
Actually, I think I might have it.
Okay,
We're ready to go?
okay, raise your hand if you have your paper clip, your marker, your board, and you're ready to go. I need to see who's ready to go. Okay, Thomas, are you not ready to go? Are you ready to go, Thomas?
Yeah, you do.
Maddie, are you ready to go?
Well, I don't know what.
Borrow a calculator.
Okay. It's chapter 3.
Okay.
It's 3.2.5, and she's gonna show you how to play the game.
It's got a needle.
Okay, if your computer or your iPad did not work for CPM books, you can use a book. It's not a big deal. It's just the directions. Okay?
All right. So just a reminder, I'm Ms. Salsi. If you have any questions, please let me know. The instructions for this game are also in your online textbook. I think the easiest way to go is at 3.2.5.
Yep.
So today we're just doing some fun stuff with integers, and we're playing kind of a tug-of-war math style. So you're going to play in teams against each other, and so the main goal is you will win the game if you either get to positive 11 or negative 11 using any combination of integers that you spin for. So when a team takes a turn, you will spin both of the dials, these spinners. So this is on the smart card, so obviously it's not quite the same thing, but go here. So we have a -3 and a -1. So the idea is you can use addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. But the thing is it must be an integer. It can't be, say, -1/3 or positives 3/2 or anything like that. So it must be an integer. So I've spun both spinners, and so we're going to try and get to 11. So Jeremiah, tell me whether you want to add or subtract, multiply, or divide -3 and -1.
I'll add -3, -1. You got -4.
Okay? So I'm going to move my doodad up there. So I'm going to move to, slide it, there we go, to -4. Now there are other ways I could do this. I could do -3 times -1 to get +3. That's an option. You could do -3 minus a -1 to get -2, or any of those combinations that get you an integer. So that's definitely the key piece to this game. So let's see. And feel free to use your whiteboards. And help each other out in your groups to make sure you do the arithmetic correctly. Otherwise,
Here, I'll play you. Ready?
all right.
Okay, go ahead. I'm gonna be red, so I'm gonna spin. Let's see who wins. -2, -3. I'm gonna multiply to get 6. +6. Okay, you go.
Okay. I'm going to multiply -4 times 3, so that's -12. But,
Oh, wait, you can't do that.
wait, I can't do that. You can't go any further than 15. So if you get something larger or smaller than positive or -15, you have to change your plan of action. You have to decide on a different arithmetic operation. Yeah, Tegan. Tegan.
We only gotta do little squares.
Pardon me?
Yeah, because you're playing as teams.
Right.
You two are playing against those two, or you two are playing, it's teams. Okay, again, all right.
Yes.
Could you do the -12?
Let's see.
She's at -4. If she does -12, where's that gonna put her?
I'm going to be way out here.
That's gonna put her back at -16.
Does that make sense? So I've got to